Going to stitch the double katori part. So the first step is we need to put a dart here, and then we need to join these two pieces. And further, after joining, we are going to assemble it with the main piece. So it is going to be like this. So let's start. Go ahead with the dart first. So there's a cut marks here. So those cut marks and the center notch here, and need to fold it nice and go with stitching of the dart. Make sure that you finish half an inch less here. And as I said in my earlier classes, you need to stop here and then go back again from the same point. So my dart is ready. So it is going to look like this. So once it has been done, once this piece has been done, then I'm going to take a second piece and we are going to join it like this. And so I'm going to keep it like this over and start stitching, giving in half an inch stitch from the edge. Make sure that you have to match it properly. As in my earlier videos also, I keep stitching very slow. So make sure that you match properly, and these two edges also perfectly. If you have not subscribed our channel, I do request you to subscribe it so that you can get all of my latest videos. So now if you see, the katori part is completely ready. So now what we are going to take is, we are going to take the second portion and attach the katori from here. So once we have attached it, see, the neck has to be perfectly fine when you attach it, and now your katori part, the two piece of katori as well as the side part is ready. Now we have to attach the yoke part. So to do the yoke part, as the fabric is thick here, I'm using 2 layers only. So I'm attaching in the bottom side first. It's a half an inch stitch that I'm going to put. Once it is been done, so then I'm going to put one under stitch so that it is firm. If you have any doubts and you don't know how to do the cutting of double katori, you can comment. So now we are going to attach it. So while attaching, we are going to attach it this way. So it is, we're going to keep it like this. I hope everyone is following. So now we are going to roll this and keep it here, and make sure that I take this edge with this edge and start the stitching again. And now you just have to pull and turn it. So your front part of the katori is ready. As I said, I'm not going to stitch the hooks part. Let me show you by inserting a cup below this. So it is going to fit like this. So this is the final product. And if you like this video, then do subscribe our channel. Thank you.